This is everything you need to know to build a floating desk. Hi, my name is Andre. Built-in floating desks save a lot of space and are so handy. Let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is measure the height to the underside of the desk of where you want it to sit on the wall. Then using a level, draw a line around each wall. Measure out the length of the line that you've drawn on the wall and then come back in 50 millimeters. This will ensure the aluminium angle isn't visible. Find the studs on the wall, mark them, and then transfer the marks onto the aluminium angle. Now, pre-draw your holes wherever your marks are, both on the wall and aluminium. Then go ahead and screw the angle to the wall. Use some MDF to make a template for the desktop. To do this, take measurements of each wall and then transfer the measurements onto the MDF. Cut the MDF to the measurements, then put it in place to check there are no gaps around the wall. If there are any gaps, adjust the MDF so that the template fits nice and snug. Using the template, draw an outline on the timber for the desktop. Cut along the lines and it'll fit snugly. Once cut, stain or paint to your desired finish. Now hop underneath and attach a timber to the aluminium bracket. And there you have it, a super sleek floating desk. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.